Good morning. Today we are in Agnone, a charming historic town located in Alto Molise at approximately 850 meters above sea level. It is well known for its medieval town center, its strong local traditions, and the Pontifical Marinelli Bell Foundry, one of the oldest bell foundries in the world, still in operation. The town of Agnone offers a peaceful and authentic lifestyle, strong local community, and local artisan shops. The house we wish to propose you is a large antique palazzo to restore with a very solid structure and roof recently replaced. It avails also of a small back garden. This traditional palazzo avails of 3 floors. This is the main entrance. This traditional palazzo is situated in a very beautiful area of Agnone, in the historic center. It avails of 3 floors. On the ground floor we find the main entrance and a large hallway with a scenic staircase that leads us to the first floor. But on this floor we also find a cellar used to store wood. We are going to the first floor. On this floor we find this large room. With the view on the main street. On the second floor we find a bedroom. A bathroom. There is a view. On this side we find a kitchen. It opens on the back garden. This room, of course, needs total upgrade and restoration works. And on the side of the house we we find another very large room. With 2 windows. It faces the street. This property needs internal complete restoration, but the structure is very solid and the roof was replaced in 2018.